Hello and welcome everybody. Today we're going to learn how to create a pic. It could be a header pic for your blog or it could be your logo using custom dimensions using Canva. This is the most frequently asked questions that I've heard recently, so let's get started. First of all, let's go to Google and type Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, please sign up and create an account. I already have an account and I'm logged in, so I will be going to this screen. Now usually we go to this green button when we want to create a design, and it gives us various predefined options. But then there are times when we have to create a pic using custom dimensions, where we know what the dimensions are and we want to create that. So if you see on the right hand side, this is an option here, okay? So you have to click on that, say use custom dimensions. You can choose the dimensions in px or inches or mm. I will say let's choose px for now. I'm picking up any number that I have in mind right now. Let's say I have to create a pic with 300 cross 400 dimensions. So I'll give the numbers here and I'll say design. Well, that's the beginning. Now this will give you a design with custom dimensions. So you can use this option for creating anything that you want for it could be a blog header, it could be a logo. The dimensions would change accordingly, but then what I'm trying to show here is how to use custom dimensions. Let's take an example that I want to create a logo, okay? So when I say I want to create a logo, what I need is text. So I'll just search for text and I'll add a text here. So let me create a logo for sharing our experiences, okay? Let's decrease the size a little and let's change the font if you want. So let me look for a font I like, okay? So you can actually browse through any of the fonts and see which is working for you. So for now, let's see, I want clicker script, okay? So I'll select that and then I will give what I want to give here. If you think it's too big, you can decrease the size, you can change the color, anything you want, okay? So this is basically how to add a text and get started. You can decrease the spacing, increase the spacing, anything, right? So I want it to be optimal. Let's say I want this one. I can also decrease the line height. So this is how it looks like. After this, let me just probably add some elements. So let me look for elements, okay? What do I want to add? Let's say I want to add some illustrations, okay? So let me look for illustrations. So I can put this if I want, or it really depends, what do you really want to put? If it's something related to night, you could put that, or for sharing our experiences. Let me see if I like anything here, okay? Okay, let's say I want to create something with buildings and flowers and this one. So I can actually create like this. So I'll adjust it a little. I'm just showing you various options that you can use when you're creating pics. So I could add an illustration, I could actually add a background, or I could add a border. So let me try a border. You just have to mention here and then pick up whatever you like, okay? So let's see if I want this one here. I want a border, and then I'll have to adjust it a little bit to align with what we have. So this is done. I can move this around using these arrows. I can actually move this illustration here. I can make at times you'll not be able to adjust. You just say move it to the back. So this will go to the back and you'll be able to pick up elements here, okay? So let's see, I want to do this. I want to decrease the size a little. So I'll decrease the size. So whatever you want to do, the option is available here. We just have to play around with it to see, what we really like or what we want to add. So let's say I want to put it here, and then I want to add something here. I want to increase the size now so that it fills it up a little. Adjust the sizes. Well, it's done. Okay, so let's say if I just want to create this, okay, for my blog, and I wanted a custom dimension for what we chose in the beginning. So this is a 300 cross 400 design that I created using custom dimensions. I added text in it, I added an illustration, I added a border, and now I'm done and I want to download it, okay, and use it. So I can just download it. Click here. You will see that you want to download it as a pic. Go ahead, download. It will save on your PC and use it wherever you want. So what dimensions to use, you need to know beforehand, because you'll get it from your theme for a logo, or you'll get it from your theme for header pics. So just pick up those dimensions, put it in use custom dimensions, and let's get started and finish it. Okay, I'll just show once again where is use custom dimensions. On the right, you click here, you give the dimensions you want, you just press on design. That's it. So hope you found this tutorial useful. I'm glad to have you here, and would love in case if you could ask any comments, if you could ask me any questions using comments. Would love to hear from you and answer. You could ask me things related to this, or if you want me to create a tutorial, just to mention it in comments, or you can get in touch with me. Thank you once again. Bye and take care. I love to have you here. If you like this tutorial, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. Take care.